After rigorously testing 17 air blower fans over the past 3 months, I've identified the 5 models that deliver outstanding dust-clearing performance. Our detailed testing process, which includes precision cleaning trials and airflow measurement across computers, keyboards, and other electronics in tight spaces, has revealed which turbo air dusters truly stand out. Each one offers features that could be ideal for your cleaning needs, so be sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. Lasko 12 Utility Fan. When summer heat strikes or your workshop needs better ventilation, this compact powerhouse delivers strong airflow you'll feel throughout the room. This fan often beats competitors with its 3-speed settings. Even at the lowest speed, you'll experience substantial air movement. The versatile 270-degree pivoting design works well, whether directing airflow toward the ceiling for whole room circulation or aiming it at floor level to dry wet areas. You can adjust it precisely to your needs. For DIY enthusiasts tackling painting projects or homeowners managing damp basements, this feature is very useful. Those built-in dual outlets serve as a useful addition. They allow you to power tools in your garage without searching for another socket. At just 7.5 pounds, with an integrated carry handle, it moves easily between spaces as your needs change. It does generate noticeable sound, particularly at higher speeds, the expected result for such powerful performance. Its compact footprint, barely exceeding 12 inches tall, conserves space, though careful placement helps avoid it becoming a tripping hazard. The durable construction suggests long-term reliability, while safety features including ETL certification and a circuit breaker with reset button provide reassurance. The generous 10-foot power cord offers good placement flexibility without requiring extension cords. This fan stands out through exceptional power and how well it adjusts to different situations, particularly in workshops, garages, and high humidity environments. Professionals rely on it for its industrial-grade airflow and robust construction. If you need a utility fan capable of handling demanding cooling and drying tasks while withstanding regular use, this model is worth considering. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. The Coilbone Compressed Air Duster provides a new way to clean dust from hard-to-reach areas, eliminating the need for disposable canned air. Its high-efficiency, brushless motor achieves high RPMs, producing a powerful wind that removes even the most stubborn dust and debris, surpassing traditional canned air in both strength and eco-friendliness. With adjustable speed settings, you can tailor the airflow to suit different cleaning tasks. For example, delicate electronics like camera lenses benefit from a gentler breeze, while the maximum power setting tackles tough dirt in PC components or car interiors. Unlike the Lasko utility fan, which is best for room ventilation, the Coilbone excels in precision cleaning. The rechargeable lithium battery provides extended use per charge, and USB-C fast charging lets you use the same cable as your other devices. Unlike the Lasko fan, that requires a power outlet, at higher speeds, noise accompanies the powerful airflow. While the airstream may seem broad for smaller targets like keyboards, the included nozzle attachments focus the airstream for precise cleaning, similar to how the Lasko fan's pivoting design allows for targeted airflow. This air duster stands out for its environmental advantages, offering a reusable alternative to countless disposable cans that go to landfills. The accessory package, including specialized brush attachments and a storage bag, increases its versatility and value, like the Lasko fan's dual outlets add to its utility. Combining power with sustainability, this tool is useful for tech enthusiasts and maintenance professionals. Users appreciate its long-term reliability and reduced environmental impact. For a cleaning solution that delivers professional-grade performance while minimizing waste, this air duster is worth considering. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 3. Are you tired of battling dust in your electronics or those tricky-to-clean spots? The Trans Warrior electric air duster is a strong, eco-friendly alternative to traditional canned air. Its high-speed turbofan generates impressive wind pressure and velocity, efficiently clearing stubborn dust from keyboard nooks and computer parts, similar to the Coilbone Compressed Air Duster, but in a more compact form. A key feature is its versatile speed settings to adjust the airflow for various cleaning tasks. The gentle mode is perfect for delicate electronics, while the highest setting handles tougher tasks like car interiors and pet hair, offering precision akin to the Coilbone's adjustable settings. Lightweight and compact, this air duster is easy to handle, unlike bulkier models such as the Lasko utility fan. The battery life is enough for typical cleaning sessions, and its USB-C charging compatibility makes it convenient with modern chargers, a feature it shares with the Coilbone model. While operating at full power can be noisier than expected, similar to high-performance devices like the Coilbone, and the friction fit attachments may occasionally detach. These minor issues are outweighed by the long-term savings from eliminating disposable canned air. The battery's built-in protection against temperature, current, and short-circuit issues enhances safety, ensuring reliable performance. This air duster's exceptional power and adaptability make it a valuable tool for tech enthusiasts and home office workers. IT professionals appreciate its dependable performance and eco-friendly design. If you're looking for a reusable solution that can handle everything from sensitive camera lenses to dusty car vents, this device is a good option. Check out the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. The Lasko X Blower High-Velocity Fan is a compact yet powerful solution for quickly drying damp areas or refreshing stuffy rooms. With an impressive airflow, this fan outperforms larger models, all within a modest frame. Its 6 adjustable positions allow precise airflow direction, making it ideal for cooling a garage or ventilating a basement. The 3-speed options provide a balance between robust cooling and quieter operation. One key feature is the integrated accessory outlet, complete with a 120-volt plug and 2 USB ports, offering convenience in spaces with limited outlets. This allows simultaneous operation of tools or charging of devices, increasing its utility. Portability is another key advantage, with its lightweight design allowing easy movement between rooms, fitting into spaces where larger fans cannot. Its sturdy construction promises long-term durability. While it produces noticeable noise at higher settings, some users find this beneficial as white noise for sleeping. However, for extremely large areas, a more powerful model might be necessary. The X Blower's combination of power and portability makes it an excellent choice for homeowners dealing with hot, humid conditions. DIY enthusiasts appreciate its versatility and the convenience of its power outlets. If you want a fan that can handle everything, from cooling workspaces to drying wet carpets, this model is definitely one to consider. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 1. The Zezzofan Cordless Air Duster is a significant improvement for those struggling with dust in hard-to-reach places or tired of wasting disposable canned air. This compact device addresses these problems efficiently, thanks to its high-velocity airflow generated by a robust motor similar to the Trans Warrior electric air duster, but with a sturdier build. A notable aspect of this air duster is its versatility. With adjustable airflow settings, you can customize the intensity for different cleaning tasks. The gentler mode is ideal for delicate electronics like camera lenses, while the maximum setting easily clears stubborn dust from keyboard crevices or car vents like the Coilbone compressed air duster. With precision nozzles and cleaning brushes, this tool is valuable for various cleaning jobs. Whether detailing a car interior, maintaining a computer, or removing pet hair from furniture, it performs each task effectively. However, the unit can be somewhat loud at full power, a reasonable trade-off for its cleaning ability, similar to the Trans Warrior's noise levels. The battery life is generally reliable, though it depletes faster at maximum power, which is expected for such a capable device. Quick recharging minimizes downtime, like the Coilbone's USB-C fast charging. Its lightweight design ensures comfortable use over extended periods without fatigue. The most appealing thing is its reusable design, which replaces countless cans of compressed air, offering both economic and environmental benefits. Tech enthusiasts and automotive detailers particularly appreciate this tool for its precision and power. If you need a versatile cleaning solution that eliminates disposable air cans while delivering professional quality results, this cordless air duster is a good addition to your cleaning supplies. Product details are available through the link in the description.